Jing kan do ya udin jong kate ke jaka puli kinong yalam ka KSU sengkmi la wa jing tip ru halor ka rukom pediang ya samla puli na ka benta ka kedan postgraduate ka agriculture but horticulture menta usnem bat ru halor ka jingduna palat jong samla khasi ki basajit ka KSU hapo jing yalam jong samla Donald Vithaba Education Secretary ringkat kejing dan lang jong samla Jomar Banyang Environment and Cultural Secretary kile tu bah kejing kendu ya udin kila penpau ya kejing songkhia namar kejing dan ketika sekolah ba ke popule syapang ban kintiu ya karep karyang kamda aji mento ya kisamla terai muluk terai jaka usamla Donald Thaba ulaya tu bana kalyang keseng kidawaru baka CAU ke deban kampenduna ya ki general seat bat penbon ya ki bah jong kirulum
kalyang keseng ilayo jingtip ba neki cek ndri jongi tang arngut kiyo bat kuliah akan nika sekolah ba di mentak asing nak kalian ngaseng milawan menjurep men wajib tip alur kanu kanong rem beli kita ki samlai jungi kiyo tang armut dari babun pat kiyo nak buat jela Manipur haban tip ru ba ke headquarter jungi nika sekolah ba ade po Infal Manipur di nak kalian jungi ngilai kendu Udin jungi nika sekolah ba bat ke ka ba ni kamsno lungo kalong ba ni pat jusem ki institution ba in conduct ya ka no entrance examination but hakasi ke ban hi lala ban declare no results tinggal abu ini ke jengkeli ke jung but ke juba bu IMU bang ba kadon bita ko objective type ha ba gidon hadu she spa under complete question ba kit saw mark siwe ba total kan nong hundred spa gidon hadu kasanut ki examiners tina kalian ke jongi wala katar ng pasuhun hi nomor ba ka daw hi kalong ba ka bomla ban long ba hakashi sni la ban declare no results lain ustang wat la phile ki OMR sheet su kasimpor pin declare results tina kalian ngajungi ngai keren sibun ngai pli jumut sibun udin jonga ka school ba puli kam tam ka jing baidai bat babali ki ST duna hadu kata-kata kan ki school ba kam tam ba kadan hakan ki jela ka jungi ka di ban keto bahaya ki human resource kam tam na ki jaka tina kalian ngajungi uang ba kadan kan ka percentage system ini weighted system ini pun sekolah bah apa yaki general kadai 100% yaki lam qualify nama tak ni entrance buat yaki ST kadai 100% di pengilai keren buat ngila pressure uang berana kali yang kajong uru lai keren so vice chancellor kaban ong ban penduna susu ya kan ka weightage nama tak ni tribal students ban penduna no adu 100% market kumah pementahi total seats untuk agriculture postgraduate kadai hadu prakuai dari kidang admit dang hadu tang nyukuai pada haka horticulture pada tangiwai student IPAS di nakaliang ngajungi hakajing keren bad unindin ulang bulan ya keren nak por bad vice chancellor man penduna no so 100% ke weightage nak bentaki ST kena bikin la ban accommodate itu ki seats ki balong vacant di nakaliang ngajungi ru amtang katahan ringin sa passion nak jing tho saka office ka ba klidu jongan diga school ba habing inwat jing tip bebun benia kanu kurkom ki conduct entrance examination bagi keiru ki daw ba pelong ba ki bebun bagi samla ki bahap ko schedule tribe category kidu hakan diga jaka puli but lemda ki nakaliang ka head office jongan diga school ba kamlan penbiang kita ki jing dan ki jing kwa jing tip jongi kemun nakaliang ka seng ban si ban haban shim no pada sedkiwe ki lalti ki bakame
Nagaliang udin jong ketika sekolah ba uke mamucha sing ulong babaro kijing penrung banyak puli ya kismla puli hagate ke sekolah ba lale kat kum ka center service rule bat kum udin numla ban le da kumai pat lada umyo ya kabor na kibor ba khli do jong ketika sekolah ba na Imphal kabalong ka headquarter ha North East ulai thu ru da kabaong babaro kijing kran berkinong elam ka KSU kabagla dawa kerpang ya kabha nak bentag samla terai muluk terajaka on sapentip syaki bor bahalor katai ke skul ba bat ula boru ya kajing kerpat syaki nong elam makin pha nak kajing tho syaki bor bahalor
actually the result we were planning to declare it and then we have worked very hard to declare in the next day because after declaration of again on this day after of the declaration of that result then we have to conduct this one student counseling. So just before that counseling, so we have to declare the results and then we have to call all the selected students in time. So that's why it is our mandatory to declare that result in next day. Around 309 students appeared in the exam.
Okay. But only 40 students selected?
No, 71 students were selected in agriculture.
Oh, 71 in
71.
Yes, so out of that in agriculture, how many ST was selected?
ST exactly I don't know the number. I cannot remember the number. but still ST was much more than the other. ST number was much more than other. Even some of the students, as per our central agriculture this central service rule, so we have give some reserve for the SC, ST also. So many of the vacancy of the SC also we have given to the converted to ST and then given to ST students. And the general also they have been filled up by the many of the ST students.
First, this the case you are not satisfied with the because only 2 Khasi was selected in this admission. So what do you do on this matter, sir?
Actually, for that university up to now we don't have any policy for the reservation for the state policy. So if they like, then they can write one representation to the competent authority, and then university can take a decision. So otherwise, ours is central. So up to now we are conducting only open examination.